Top-rated Miami cruise ship injury lawyer, Charlip Law Group, cruise ship lawyer, injury attorney. Miami cruise ship injury lawyer, Charlip Law Group, cruise line injury attorneys. The cruise ship industry in Miami and how injuries are handled. Cruising is a great way to spend a family vacation, particularly with children and grandparents. Of course, when you think about and plan your vacation, the last thing on your mind is the thought of being injured or sick. However, cruise vacations pack many hidden risks. Such injuries range from a trip or slip and falls, to assaults, tender injuries, food poisoning, excursion injuries, norovirus, medical malpractice, and even wrongful death. Cruise ship accidents. Who is liable for injuries on cruise ships? With the advent of mega cruise ships with passenger capacities of more than 3,000, the logistical problems in managing so many people in confined spaces are inherent. The staff members are expected to cater to a huge number of people across different weather conditions, port conditions, and a variety of different activities while accounting for differences in age, physical capability, language, and culture, which quite understandably makes the reasonable care for the cruise line a difficult proposition. Whether you get injuries from ziplining through the rainforest, in the pool or jacuzzi, waiting to board the ship in the hot sun, or even just trying to pick up the soap in the shower, do not discount the potential liability that the cruise line may have to respond in damages to compensate you for your injury. If you do suffer an injury or illness while cruising, be aware that your ticket contract has important conditions limiting your right to bring suit. If you wish to review your ticket contract, you can find it on the list below. Azamara Club Cruises Guest Ticket Contract. Carnival Cruise Line Guest Ticket Contract. Celebrity Expedition Cruises Guest Ticket Contract. Celebrity Cruises General Guest Ticket Contract. Costa Cruise Lines Guest Ticket Contract. Crystal Cruises General Guest Ticket Contract. Crystal River Cruises Guest Ticket Contract. Cunard Guest Ticket Contract. Disney Cruise Line Guest Ticket Contract. Fathom Travel Guest Ticket Contract. Fred. Holland America Cruise Guest Ticket Contract. MSC Cruises Guest Ticket Contract. Norwegian Cruise Line Guest Ticket Contract. Oceania Cruises Guest Ticket Contract. P&O Cruises Guest Ticket Contract. Regent Seven Seas Cruises Guest Ticket Contract. Royal Caribbean Cruise General Guest Ticket Contract. Royal Caribbean Brilliance of the Seas Only Guest Ticket Contract. Seabourn Cruise Line Guest Ticket Contract. The World Residences at Sea Guest Ticket Contract. Silver Sea Cruises Limited Guest Ticket Contract, only for Galapagos Expedition Cruise. Silver Sea Cruises Limited Guest Ticket Contract, excluding Galapagos Expedition Cruise. Princess Cruise Lines, Limited Guest Ticket Contract. Viking River Cruises Guest Ticket Contract. Cruise ship lawyers discuss personal injury claims for a person injured on cruise ships. Cruise ship companies have made it difficult to file a claim for injury. These restrictions are listed in the passenger ticket agreement on your ticket. These terms and conditions can be found in between 14 and 18 pages of legal gobbledygook that have been created over time by maritime attorneys. Claims for injury from cruise ships must prove that general maritime law applies, including whether the standard or reasonable care in the circumstances was provided. These are the 4 core tenets for passenger ticket contracts and cruise ship injury claims. You need to identify the right venue, such as the Federal Court of Miami, Florida. Notifying the incident within 6 months is a good practice. You must recognize the statute of limitations in order to file a cruise ship injury claim. Establishing if or not the Athens Convention applies. This is a treaty commonly referenced in passenger ticket contracts and provides a limit on damages. The cruise passenger has 180 days to notify the cruise line of any claim after an accident. A cruise passenger must file suit within 1 year of the accident. However, the location specified in the passenger ticket contract is the place where the claim should be filed. The federal court in Miami is where most major cruise lines will be located. However, some cases may need to go to Fort Lauderdale, Orlando, Los Angeles, California, Seattle, Washington, or Los Angeles, California. Cruise ship injury attorneys explain how to notify a cruise line about an injury. To preserve your claim, you must file your cruise ship injury claim as soon as possible. Notify the local security officers immediately. Once you have given a statement, request a copy immediately. They will not give you a copy if you do not request one immediately. Sexual assault and rape cases must be reported to the FBI. It is crucial to begin documenting and conserving evidence as soon as possible. Photographs are not required by cruise lines. You are required to either take photos or have someone else take digital images of the scene. If possible, take photos of the accident scene and your injuries. Only by giving the notice of 6 months and filing suit within 1 calendar year can you preserve your claim. The cruise line must receive a written notice describing the incident and provide a detailed description within the time period stated on the passenger ticket contract. This is usually 6 months, 180 days. This notice period may be reduced by property damage claims. Experienced cruise ship injury lawyer at Charlip Law Group after an accident on a ship while on a cruise. However, there are a lot of risks involved while being on a cruise ship. If you have been injured on a cruise ship because of the management's negligence, insufficient emergency precautions, poor maintenance, lack of security, poor sanitation, or incompetent staff, you may be able to seek compensation for your injuries. Charlip Law Group has a team of skilled cruise ship injury attorneys who may be able to help you file an injury claim. Call our Miami accident attorneys now for a free consultation at 305-354-9313. Charlip Law Group, LC is located in Brickell, Miami, Florida and serves clients in and around North Beach, Miami Beach, Miami, Hialeah, Opa-locka, Dania, Key Biscayne, South Beach, Fort Lauderdale, Hollywood, Broward County, Miami-Dade County, and Palm Beach County.